Okay guys, in this lecture I want to show you another type of cool feature of ArcGIS Online, which is a heat map based, we can say, map. In our previous lesson, we had inserted the Covid-19 country and state based cases from the Living Atlas side. So again, we go to our map page, and in this time we will insert the layer into our dashboard in the format of heat map, not in this red circle format. So let's get started. You can go to the home page, then content, and from there you can choose the map tab. So here we have our map page open. So as you see, there are 4 layers that we had already inserted. So we can choose that. You want the attributes of the depth, or the country-based cases, or the state-based cases should be visualized in the format of heat map. So let's choose the depth. So if you want to see the attributes of the depths around the world, the information around the world which exists in this layer, you can click in this one, in this table. So here you see, this is a table-based information. You can see 3751 features. Okay, so I want to show the information, the depth information in the format of heat map. Okay, choose this one and click on this heat map. You see now it's being displayed in the format of heat map. Okay, done. Let's choose another one as well, the country-based information in the format of heat map. Select, it's being displayed as well, heat map. If you get closer, so the information is being displayed in the format of heat map. And then we can do the state-based layer as well, heat map. Okay, and what's being remain, this one. Okay, heat map. Now the whole information is being generated in the format of heat map. So the high color indicates the high depths, and as well as the cases, country based as well as state based. So in this area, in New York area, there are a lot of deaths and a lot of positive cases we have. The same here in this area, here is this one. So this is very dense. Where is this exactly? The valley, Marigot, I don't know. So you can see the whole information in this format. Details. Okay, that's it. Go to the contents. So you can choose another formats as well we have. For example, I go and I want to show the dates in different format. For example, choose this one, location single symbol, and based on what you want to display the dates. So based on this column, for example, based on we can say country. Okay, so if you choose this as usual, okay, we can display the date, for example, the date attributes in another format as well, based on the colors, country colors. We can go here, click this change style. So if we change the attribute here, if you chose one attribute, for example, the depth, then the information will be displayed based on the date. We can display our information in other formats as well. For example, I want to show the dates, visualize the date in another format. Simply, we can change the attributes. Okay, let's choose a country, for example. Now you'll have different options here. Just choose this one, unique. Okay. You see the date information is being displayed into different different format, different colors. Beside a heat map, you have different options, different formats as well. Based, you can display your information, you can display the attributes or information in different formats. So you can choose, for example, this one, the dates or a country based. Let's choose the country based information. So if you choose, you can, for example, let's choose confirmed cases. Based on that, it will give you different options. So if you choose this one, it will visualize your data based on the country, and it will give you a legend as well. For example, these indicate that the red color indicate for 1 positive cases. So for example, this place has only 1 positive case. Let's check it out. Yeah, confirmed case is 1. And for example, this one, the blue one, it shows 2. In this place we have 2 positive cases. So yeah, and as well as the color, these are the colors. So the gray one indicates more for the countries or for the places where they have more than 80 cases. So as you see, the number is huge. What is this one shows? Green 56. Okay, we can press on the button done. That's it, and we save it. We save it in another name. We give it a name, heat map COVID-19. Copy it, paste here as a tag. Press the tab button. Now the tag, it has given a tag for somebody as well as this one. I don't care. Save the map. Now the layer is saved, and we can access it from within our dashboard. You know the procedure. Go to the map. Now here we have 2 layers. You want the dotted map, or you want the heat map. So select that one. You'll study this one. Okay, done. Here we are. Now we have 2 maps, the heat map and the dotted one. Here the star indicates the death, and the red circle indicates the positive and the active cases of COVID-19 based on the country. So it depends on your choice. You use this map or this map. So in our case, we don't need that one. We will focus only on this one. It looks cool and it looks very stylish, right? So let's just delete this map. Simply you come here and there is a delete option. Press in it, delete. Now it is deleted. We can delete it from our content as well. We can delete the layer itself or the map from uh, our content page. You see the heat map COVID-19. Here we have the COVID-19 layer. This is a dotted uh, map, and this is the heat map. We don't need it, so delete it. Okay, go to your dashboard now. Now we will put some more features like graphs and charts and this kind of stuff. Now I want this symbol, the capsule symbol, be clickable. I want to put a link. When you press on that, so it will lead you to a page. So how can we do that? Let's edit this this panel. So here we have the setting, the configure. We come here, the logo URL. You put a URL here. So what URL should I add? Let's add the World Health Organization's website page here, WHO .int. So this is the page for WHO. So let's add this one, the COVID diseases situation dashboard. Okay, just copy this one, copy, come to your dashboard and just paste it here. Done. Now you can click it. It's clickable now. If you click it, it will navigate you to the WHO dashboard page. Cool. Close this one. These pages, we don't need them. And save the dashboard again. Okay, let's explore these buttons. What does it do? So here by pressing this button, you can change the base map from within your dashboard. So here we have different base maps. If you don't like this dark base map, you can choose another one like terrain with labels. Cool. Or you want, for example, this one, imagery, based on your choice. So I think our previous base map was nice. You will go for it. And as well as here, you have the list of the layers that you had already inserted. So it will show the legend. So as you see, there we have different dots. The circle is bigger than this one. This one is bigger than this one. What does it mean? It shows this information. The cases for more than, so it shows 100,000, between 100 and 500,000, the values. And the smallest one it shows, it has the cases, the confirmed cases from 1 to 50. For example, I am in this location. If I press the home button, it will shift you to the center of the map like this. If you want to find a specific place, for example, Kabul, enter. It will just show you the exact location of Kabul. So this is Kabul. If you zoom out, You see the Kabul, it's information about your input. So Kabul is within Afghanistan. Okay, in the next lecture, we will explore these patterns. We'll start from side panel, then we keep on exploring them. See you then.